We're doing 90 kilometers per hour and this idiot pulls out, slowing us down to 40 kilometers per hour. Almost locking brakes. Maybe he'll see us and not T-bone us?
Fucking Christ, man!
Don't do it. Idiot. No cars behind us, but this idiot just had to pull out in front of us when we were doing 90 km/h when he cut us off.
Car behind.
Are you gonna pass him or no? I mean, you still gotta wait on that other guy. He's going 50.
Idiot on the side of the road and another idiot on the other side about to cross in front of us, causing us to lock the brakes. Come over a hill and see
Fucking Christ, man!
90 km/h locked down to 40 km. Nevers Road onto Lincoln Road, reject idiots. From 90 km/h down to 20 km/h, anti-lock brakes kicked in. Another Cracker Jack box license was given out. This idiot can't navigate a single lane traffic circle.
What are you doing?
You don't stop in a traffic circle.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you
We're doing 90 kilometers per hour and this idiot pulls out in front of us.
idiot?
Anti-lock brakes kicked in and we had no traffic behind us. WTF? Why? Ironically, cops were there, but they were there to catch carjackers. Right place, wrong time.
Go, 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 go.
Oh, they're gonna trap somebody.
Spiteful idiot risking their lives on lane ending.
Beside them, this stupid.
Passing lane hog 110 kilometers per hour on the highway doing 90 kilometers per hour. Idiot in passing lane, this is why I hate
Get
people.
the fuck off the fucking passing lane. Get the fuck over there, man!